पेडणेच्या सोहिरोबानाथ अंबिये शासकीय महाविद्यालयान शेनवारा वाणिज्य शाखेन पदव्युत्तर विभागाचे डॉ. मोहन सांगोडकराचे हस्तुकी उक्तावण जाले. विद्यार्थ्यांक उचेल्या पावंड्यार शिक्षण दिवपाचे हेतून ह्या विभागाचे उक्तावण केला. RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
25 years since its inception, and we are proud to announce that on this occasion, the college has started its postgraduate Department of Commerce, and another major project of starting a research center in commerce is in the pipeline.
And government has provided you with infrastructure, and now it's your responsibility to see that you use this infrastructure to provide the best possible course so that you get best possible students. If you see the SWOT analysis, just general SWOT analysis, you'll find there are certain challenges this institution has, but those challenges could be used as opportunities. They should be used as opportunities, like socio-economic background of the students, this area. There are, affordability level of population may be little lower than what urban people can afford. Similarly, SC, ST population. When that population is higher, again, although it's a challenge, it also becomes an opportunity. Because this particular area helps you in applying for various schemes under UGC and various things. You can take example of Cafe College itself. There is a lot of ST population there. And they have used this for getting different kinds of schemes sanctioned to them through UGC. And that college has become one of the best.
Government feels today that signing of more treaties means creating more market opportunities even for the Indian manufacturers, and likewise for others too. So everyone wants to be part of the global value chain. The protection policies are going away. It's going to be only promotional policies. If that happens, what is the future of commerce education is what we need, and we need to reinvent at institution level. So if your teachers and all take interest and start conducting this, go back to the university will have a higher platform. University goes to UGC and tries to disseminate, absorb further information. This correlation of this can create one of the most wonderful things for the India. China has done it. Chinese today are having one of the best research in commerce education. You must learn from them. So today you look at the success of Asian Tigers. It's on account of all these things, what's happening in
your lectures of all the teachers can be viewed by anyone, including Education Minister, Education Secretary, Director of Higher Education. So there will be more responsibility on the teachers that they should come prepared, because it will be viewed by many authorities, not only by the students. That is one. Second, more important thing is that if suppose any student is absent for any reason for this school, college, then he will able to go through the lecture again. Not only that, if suppose now any students want to go through the lecture of any other teacher from any other college, government college, then we will able to do that. If any topic is taught by your teacher, then again if you want to know that how other teacher had taught it, then you will be allowed and you will able to know that.